This is HH66. It's the most recommended vinyl adhesive in the world. If you need to mend or bond anything made of flexible vinyl, this is the way. But it's not the only way. There are at least 4 ways to attach vinyl to itself. So, when should you reach for a glue like HH66? And when should you go another route? I'm Jana from RH Adhesives. This is our list of 4 ways to repair flexible vinyl. If you've got a rip in your upholstery, tarp, tent, boat, bounce house, or anything else made of flexible vinyl, you probably want to fix it. And if you customize or install vinyl fabrics as part of your work, you may need to join several pieces together. So, when you're attaching vinyl to vinyl, what are your options? Well, first, you could weld it. Using chemicals to melt 2 surfaces together is called solvent welding. That's a common way to join PVC pipe, but it's not so common with vinyl fabric. You can use heat to melt vinyl fabrics together. That's called thermal welding, but it takes some expertise. Welding takes time, it costs money, and if things go wrong, welding won't look that great. Unless you're joining vinyl for a living, welding may not be for you. Your second choice is to use fasteners, like snaps or rivets. These aren't hard if you've got the equipment, but they add weight to your vinyl fabric and create local pressure points that could lead to rips or tears in the future. When you join up vinyl, you want to make your material stronger, not weaker. A third approach is vinyl tape. This stuff is easy, fast, and cheap, and sometimes that's the right call. But repair tape isn't that durable, and if you're fixing something you want to stay fixed, durability matters. Tape isn't great for peace of mind, which may be why a lot of people use adhesives. Adhesives are the 4th way you can bond vinyl, but not all adhesives are the same. You could choose a reactive adhesive, like a single-component polyurethane or a cyanoacrylate, good old superglue. Reactive adhesives bond your vinyl with a chemical reaction, so they're strong. The downside is that they're hard to use. You might need clamps or you might need to mix components. And the ones that are easy to use, like superglue, can get really expensive if you need enough to cover a good-sized area. If you want glue that's easy and affordable, you'll want a contact adhesive. Some contact adhesives are water-based, which are cheap and environmentally friendly. But water-based adhesives aren't that durable, and they're not chemically resistant. So the strongest contact adhesives are solvent-based. Solvent-based adhesives are a proven technology that has been in use for decades. And the number 1 for vinyl is our product, HH66 Vinyl Cement. HH66 is a solvent-based contact adhesive made specifically for vinyl. This glue makes a bond that's stronger than the vinyl itself, which means when you use it, you're making the objects you glue stronger and not weaker. It goes on in just a single application, it looks clean, and it's easy on your budget in both small and large amounts. It even works underwater. And that makes HH66 the right glue for someone who wants to mend flexible vinyl and have peace of mind. In our next video, I'll show you how to mend with HH66, and we'll look at what makes this particular glue unique. There's a link to that video below, or you can get a tube of HH66 right now at rhadhesives.com.